How to add your birthday on LinkedIn app. Hi guys, welcome back to another brand new episode. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you add your birthday on LinkedIn app. If you wish to add your birthday on your LinkedIn app, then you could follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update your application. So go to the Play Store or an App Store and check for an update. After which, click the open button and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn app, this is how it's going to look like. After which, click the profile from the top left hand side corner, and at the bottom of the menu you could see settings. Click on it. As soon as you click on the settings option, you'll be taken to the settings page, and here you want to go to account preferences. As you go to account preferences, under it you could see profile information. So on this page, you want to click the pencil shape icon next to your profile. As you do it so, you'll be able to see all of these. Now here you want to scroll down a bit and go to contact section. So when you go to contact info section, click on edit contact info. As soon as you do that, scroll down a bit and here you find your birthday. What you want to do is go ahead and add your date of birth, and then you want to click the set button. Once you've done it so, click the save button, and then you've successfully added your birthday on LinkedIn app. So this is the way you go ahead and add your birthday on LinkedIn app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.